Hey guys, it's Jerry Metalman Battaglia out here in Long Island, New York. Please like and share this video. Please subscribe to my channel. What we have here is a 68 Dodge Dart GT 273 V8, all original car, unrestored. We're going to ship it to my friend Danny's place. I want you to follow me on Facebook. We're going to get this car running in a couple. So there it is, guys. Unrestored, all original. Was in the garage for 20 years. Buckets, console, AC car, automatic, power steering, power brakes. It's got 340 exhaust on it as well. All original, unrestored car. So please, like I said, follow us on Facebook and also follow Jerry Metalman Battaglia on YouTube. And we're going to take this car, get it running. Alright guys, like I said, like and share this video, please follow me, subscribe to my channel, check out the 68 Dodge Dart GT. Have a great day.